if you're buying or selling a home, you have to call those Callaways because they are the ones that are going to take the best care of you and get you into your perfect dream home. And we have, once again, Kelly Callaway. Tell us about this amazing home that you have today.
This home's incredible. It's on a 35,000 square foot lot. The home is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath.
Wow.
And that includes guest quarters that are connected to the home with a detached 4-car garage on a cul-de-sac in North Scottsdale.
Oh my gosh.
So it's close to Cactus and the 101.
Okay.
So the location is incredible.
That's a fantastic location.
The home's been remodeled. It has fresh paint inside and out. But it's the location that's absolutely amazing. And they have redone the pool. It's just the landscaping in the back is absolutely beautiful with desert front landscaping.
It sounds gorgeous.
Home.
Okay, and what are we looking at for price then?
I'm amazed at this one. It is only $799.
That's it?
That is it.
Okay, for that location and that home, okay, that one's gonna go fast. It's gonna be another one that's gonna go fast. So as I'm always saying, if they can't get into this home, they need to call you anyway because you are going to get them into another home.
I absolutely will.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.